Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Weekly, where we dive deep into the most exciting advancements in technology. I'm your host, and today we're going to explore an innovative toolkit called Cogitator, one that could very well change how we interact with large language models, or LLMs for short. So, what is Cogitator? Well, think of it as a Swiss Army knife for experimenting with chain-of-thought prompting methods in LLMs. Now, you might be asking, what on earth is chain-of-thought prompting? Good question. Essentially, it's a technique designed to enhance the performance of LLMs on complex tasks, things like reasoning or problem solving, by guiding them through intermediate steps before arriving at a final answer. Imagine trying to solve a tricky puzzle. It's often easier if you lay out the pieces first, right? That's exactly what CoT prompting does for these models. It helps them build a clearer picture of how to reach the solution. But Cogitator does more than just support these methods. It also improves the interpretability of LLMs. You can actually gain insights into how the model is reasoning through its answers. This is huge. It opens up conversations about transparency and trust in AI, something we all care about, especially as AI systems are becoming so integrated into our lives. Now let's get into some of the exciting features Cogitator offers. First off, it comes with a unified API. Whether you prefer synchronous or asynchronous calls, Cogitator's got you covered. Plus, it supports major LLM providers like OpenAI and Ollama. Now, if you're not familiar with Ollama, it's like having an LLM right at your fingertips, letting you run models locally. Another interesting feature is the structured model output, validated with Pydantic. Think of it like ensuring the answers you get are well-formed and easy to work with. Anyone who has dealt with messy outputs knows just how valuable that is. And let's talk about benchmarking for a moment. Cogitator includes a customizable framework for performance evaluation across various datasets like GSM-8K and Strategy QA. This allows researchers and developers to really put these CoT strategies to the test and see how they stack up against one another. Here's an intriguing tidbit. Among the CoT strategies it supports are methods like self-consistency and the tree of thoughts. Picture this. Self-consistency works by generating multiple reasoning paths and finding the most common answer. It's like asking a group of friends their opinion and going with the majority. Great for those moments when the answer just isn't clear-cut. So, if you want to dive into Cogitator, installation is pretty straightforward. You can clone the repository and set up your Python environment in no time, with all the latest examples included. And for those who want to see how it performs live, there's even an example on how to use it to answer the classic bat and ball problem. Who doesn't love a good brain teaser? Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this thought. As we explore tools like Cogitator, how might they reshape our understanding of AI reasoning and transparency? Could we someday hold AI systems accountable for their thought processes, just like we do with humans? That's all for today's episode. Cogitator not only advances the capabilities of large language models, but also invites us to rethink how we engage with AI in our daily lives. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this topic. Feel free to reach out, share your questions, or even your insights. Until next time, keep exploring, and as always, stay curious.